there might be like this thing that covers you almost like a webbing or spider web, and kind of like infuses into your skin, like kind of this creepy texturing. But the cool part with that was the exoskeleton could almost be like a technological mirror of what these creatures did or looked like.
Oh, God.
It's kind of creepy and interesting,
but also using the enemy's fire against them, which is nice.
Yes, and she's also the medical person, like a med scanner, things like that are built into the suit itself.
She can do
scans.
Yeah. Without taking it off.
Right.
And I sometimes have to take it off and send it away, and then I'm just lying there.
Yeah. Well, I told you that she can control it long distance. That like that suit it can move.
I like that you can do it with your mind in here.
Yeah, it's cool. And then the other thing is that because Neil and I have been talking about rather than computer screens like holographic projection.
I want there to be something there that helps you whenever you put it on. You remember your character.
Yeah, and the shoes will be massively important. What she has on her feet, you know, she uses stuff. Oh, that.
It's funny because that's the fashion version of kind of what I was going to suggest.
Yeah.
Right.
So if you took that and made it infinitely more functional,
yes,
I think that could be cool. And then the irony is that that would look 10 times more attractive as well.
Incredibly strong, these things.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yes, put them on, please.
Can you see how interesting they are when they're on your feet? I've got your size upstairs, by the way.
You know what? Actually, I like it with the fashion stuff on.
I've got 4 pairs of these upstairs.
Different sizes.
They're actually Spanish boots, made in Spain.
But for me, it all comes from story. You know, and there's no such thing as a costume. It's an extension of character. Because look at us. We're all responding to the same weather, and nobody's dressed the same.
That's so true.
So everything here is partly because of the temperature, but mostly because of who you are. You stamped your personality on your bodies this morning.
I feel like as well she would, one of the ways, we can all combat chronic pain and heartache and all this, but there's this brilliant quote from Werner Herzog who said, beware of actors who act only out of pain because they're going to be painful to watch. So she has all this stuff, but I want it to manifest and I want it to deal with it in really interesting ways, so humour. Just in order to kind of combat all that pain and struggle and heartache and physical pain.
Yes.
You know, otherwise she's...
Yes. Well, but also in that regard, and you saw in the script what I was doing also is, she knows anytime she goes anywhere, everyone's looking at this thing she's wearing, right? It's like one of our friends who was a quadriplegic, and he used humor because he had to disarm people. He had to kind of get them off that subject, which was the elephant in the room always. And so for her,
such a great point.
Right. So for her, humor is very important, and also just diffusing all that stuff, and also being warm to others. It's kind of like taking care of them because she doesn't want them seeing her as a cripple or needy or anything like that. And so for her, there's sort of like almost like layers of armor and armor and armor and armor that she's using to never have anyone get to that really wounded core. But she's not going to be opening up about that stuff because that's vulnerability, and she was vulnerable when she was taken over by those creatures. And she's the only member of the crew who doesn't have to wear that standard uniform because of what she's doing. It might be something related to the fact that she's in the service, but maybe yes, maybe no. Don't either way. The other part of it is because she's part of the bridge crew. It's very utilitarian, very functional. So that's the thing too.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
That's good enough to start.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Inspiring.